So guys, our Riley Hopkins press broke. What's going on, His Way fam? Today I'm actually going to talk to you about our Riley Hopkins press and actually how it broke. So let me paint this picture for you. So we're here at the job working on some shirts, and notice that the colors won't line up. There will be like the underbase will be off. It became very frustrating because then we had to overcompensate for some other prints. We had to replace a bunch of shirts. Now it was inconsistent. It was frustrating. And as a screen printer, you think that you're the reason why these prints are coming bad. I was with Roman in the print shop, and then I noticed right off the back, I was like, dude, our press is broken. Like, look at it. It's stripped from the area where the brackets were, like unlatched from the area.
Yeah, it's more like that spring-ish feel. It's not supposed to do that, so.
I'm gonna talk to you about the power of social media. I got on there, obviously, over the social media. On there, obviously, I put send help, and they messaged back at 11:49. It said, no, I never seen that happen before. I'm so sorry to see that this morning you have a chance to reach out to our support. Have them call you ASAP. So they're like, they looked us up and everything. They're like, hey, we got you under warranty. Sounds like an easy fix. And a big shout out to Daryl. He's the one that got us connected and everything. So, and that's one thing on our end. We didn't want anything like, oh, they posted it just to get attention. Like, no, it was just being funny, like literally. But it shows you that how good this company takes care of you. And just big shout out to Ryanette and Riley Hopkins, because if I wouldn't posted it, we would have been here like thumbs in our pockets and like with the broken press, or even forking more money out for a new one. But even that, they messaged us back and said, hey, glad we got to work that out. It's our pleasure. Thank you for posting. That's awesome of you. We actually talked about doing a feature about our warranty, and this might be a cool way to share the experience. If you guys are into that, let's keep in touch and reach out if you need anything else. So hopefully this is a video that'll be able to help out in that. Everything came in, and we finally had a day where we were able to take a day break from jobs, and we ended up setting this press up. So we just got word that Ryanette sent us another part for our press. So we're about checking in. We put it in the Connex. We've been super busy working with what we got, and now it's time to see what they send us. You just cut all the new metal. There's the manual. Let's go. Alright.
Oh, they got some roots.
There's the carousel.
That's what we need. Get the screws.
Look at that. Man, that boy is...
Oh, they get stuff.
Check that out, man. The black's not even green no more.
Yeah.
It looks clean.
We're gonna go test it out.
Just want a big shout out to Ryanette. They sent us the whole carousel bottom for our 2-station, for our 250, and literally like the best customer service. And for them just to reach out to us and said, hey, what's going on? They literally sent somebody, they gave us a call, and Cedric got on the phone with Daryl, I believe, and they sorted it out. They said, hey, we're so sorry about that. We saw this story. I want to say we're super sorry. What do you need replaced? They replaced it, send us it, and yeah, they just totally just out the wall. We thought we had to just buy a new press. Obviously, we're trying to get that already, but just to know that the customer service, they reached out to us and they fixed the solution for us, basically. They sent us a whole new one, and now we won't have misprints. And they sent us the cool matte black, nice looking, so now we can have just a black press in the print room, and it matches Roman's soul because it's black. It's gonna be dark just like Roman's soul. Yep. And so Ryan, thanks you guys for sending that. Top of the line customer service, and we couldn't be more grateful. We're thankful. This is why we use you guys. Alright, so here we are. Me and Roman are taking out the press, taking all the old parts and putting everything back, because as you can tell, me and Roman didn't put this press together, but we're putting it back. So taking all the old bolts, putting the new carousel in, since this was the main issue. So everything's going back the way it needs to go.
I know I came up with it, right? I don't know.
Like I said, me and Roman don't know what we're doing. We're just putting everything back the way it came from. So this is idiot proof. If we can do it, you can do it. This is the old one. As you can see, the welding areas, it was shot. So we had to take the old parts from the press, putting them back to the new one, and we're just replacing the carousel. So that was the main issue. And like I said, we had everything stacked, so we knew exactly where everything's going back. And lift with the legs, not with your back. Teamwork make the dream work. Safety first, y'all. Here we are putting on the press the 4-color station on a 2-banger. And now we just tighten everything back up and hope for the best. Let Roman take over here because my little arms couldn't reach. And then we noticed when Paul did the press, he didn't have it so tight, which obviously you want it to spin. So doing the same thing, tightening it, but just not too tight, and again not too loose, so it's gonna fall off. And here was the tricky part. Like I said, we had all of our old bolts, and we took it out from our old press so we could put it on the new press. Thank God we didn't weld the bolts onto exactly the press, so it was easy, because we would have been in a whole different predicament. But also these pins were very tricky to get out, but nothing with a WD-40 and some hammering to get it out of. And here we are putting on the new parts. It's definitely, I don't know if people did this by themselves, but a second hand is always good, because the lopsidedness, you want to make sure you're holding everything straight. And it's just better, it's faster, so keep that in mind. And we got to get the maestro himself. So of course we put everything back, and the pins, WD-40, and make sure everything got in there to lock everything in place. Putting the pins back in, like I said, a little WD-40 and a hammer, you're all set. Here it is, the slick matte black, clean, new press for his way, press or print. So it came out super nice, slick, clean. It looks good in our print area, and man, it wouldn't be possible without social media posting about it. And then just the great people at RiotNet and Riley Hopkins that were able to reach out to us and say, hey, let us replace that for you. So top 10 stars to customer service. It has been really good. And then any questions we had or anything, we can definitely hit them up. And then it just kind of reflects the community and the big dogs and the RiotNet, the machines, and everything that we use in day to day for our jobs. They have that same mindset and able to help and to make us better as a business. So big shout out to you guys, RiotNet, Riley Hopkins, for providing great work, and just thank you for the great customer service that you have given to not only us but the whole print community. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you check them out. Get your presses. They got all your guys' needs on there. Make sure you check them out at screenprinting.com, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace.